Algeria, Nigeria, everything Nigeria. For me, this match is a very tough and difficult match for both Algeria and Nigeria. Algeria are going to dominate the game. No, there's no argument in that because North Africans, they are very technical. They can hold the ball. They like to waste time as well. They are leading. And Nigeria, this game is going to suit us very well. It's going to suit us because we are very good on the counter-attacking spray. We are very good when our backs are against the wall. Just create chances. Osimhen is there. Lukman is there. Akor Adams. Moses Simon, all of them are there. So this match suits Nigeria. It suits Nigeria very well because we have a team that wants to dominate and Nigeria that doesn't want to dominate. Because whenever we have a team that is a little bit better, as good as us, and we are dominating them, most likely we wouldn't win. But because Algeria are going to dominate us, we are most likely going to create more chances and likely going to win this match. This match is going to be very tough. It's going to be 50-50 encounter, difficult for both countries. So any country can go through to the semi-final, but these two are my two. They are part of my favorite to win the AFCON. So anyone that goes through, I'm okay and fine. Even though I'm in Nigeria, that doesn't matter. But anyone that goes through deserves to go through to the semi-final of the AFCON 2025-2026 AFCON. While for the next match between Ivory Coast and Egypt, this match is also a 50-50. Ivory Coast and Egypt, both of them are going to make sure that one doesn't dominate the other. Make sure that one doesn't dominate the other, especially the Egyptians. They want to dominate the Ivorians. We know West Africa, we are very physical. We have a very physical ability. And also the Ivorians have very quality players. They are star-studded. Usually they have Musala and Mamouche. Those are the star players that they have. I think it's like a Moroccan. So for me, this match is evenly matched, like the Nigeria and the Algeria match. Is evenly matched between two quality sides. Ivory Coast they are part of my favorite. Egypt are not part of my favorite. So I'm sticking my neck for Ivory Coast to go through. Although it's going to be very tough. It's going to be very Ivory Coast to go through. Either Nigeria or Algeria to go through. But because I'm in Nigeria, let me be sentimental. Nigeria to go through. But the Algerians are very good. Nigeria will concede, definitely. These two matches are going to extra time. And penalty is anybody's game. And Morocco, I think Morocco were going to qualify. They beat their opponent silly 2-0, which can be silly. I said Senegal were going to qualify. They also qualified. They beat Mali by a new goal. I said this game was going to be very tough, and it was very tough for Senegal. Two West Africans are physical, but Senegal find a way to win. So both two of my favorites are now in the semi-final of the AFCON. One will go to because of Nigeria.